Hey guys, welcome back to the first day of the fourth week of September, and today we're going to be doing a trade recap on today's trade and the analysis I sent yesterday. I said if EU will break from down here, it will be continuing bearish, and we see that EU did not reach this zone that we were targeting to give the sales. So we saw that it continued downtrending. So EU has confirmed that it's continuing bearish, and the bullish signs is nowhere to be seen. So we might be waiting for the pullback phase, which might come around down here. But that's another video for another day. So today we're going to be doing the trade recap of today, and these are the two zones I gave you yesterday. Let me come back. These are the two zones I gave you. I told you this will give a reaction, and there was another sell zone up here that facilitated EU to come to this last zone of demand. And from this last zone of demand, I was expecting price to come and clear out Asia high, but it did not. So it might clear it out another day. So we come to M1. The fuck am I saying? We come to M1. I come to M1. Let me show you. Okay, these are the two trades I had today. Let me delete one of these. Come to M1. These are the two trades I had. So first we had the first tap of the demand level, which is seen here, and then it did a liquidation, and then a sweep of that liquidation to the downside, and then it came and bought impulsively, which clearing out this high, which caused a PBL, as you can see from this zone. Price came back correctively, and we bought from this area of demand. But remember, price did not leave. It came here and left it did not close above. So I was a bit skeptical, but I thought, okay, it closed above, but it left some imbalance here. So most likely it will come to fill this imbalance before it continues going higher. So I just repeated the same process again, have the PBL, and came and swept the high, which it did this. It did not close above, but it swept the high, making this zone invalid, and it traded from this zone of supply up here. So it came back and caused a liquidation zone, which was first tapped, caused a reaction with this candle, this one candle that is hidden here, and then came to the last zone of demand, which tapped, giving us two trades, which we targeted till this supply level. That was the one I was skeptical about, because it's the supply level that caused the breakage of these lows. So if we come and check, we can see that here is the last, here's the zone, and if we I targeted somewhere there, and you can see price came and tapped it very well before it went and sold down. So those two trades in total, one was 10.5 R, another one was 7.08 R. So those were the two trades of today. Nothing much, just a textbook setup that was being printed today. And I will be much glad if price came and cleared out the high, because this was a clean trade, and we target these zones up here before price sells off. But we can't control what price will do, so we'll have to see what it will do. It's a crazy week. It's Monday, and market has moved this much on a Monday, so that means that during the week we might see consolidation before the move of Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. So that's what we'll be waiting for. And thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please leave it down in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.